Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resize images on Wix step by step.
Before we jump in, just make sure you're logged into your Wix account and inside the correct website project. If you're following along for the first time, take a moment to get familiar with the editor layout because everything we're doing will happen inside here.
Once you're inside the Wix editor, the first thing you want to do is go to the media section on the left-hand side. This is where all your uploaded images are stored, kind of like your personal image library inside Wix. From here, select the image you want to use. If you haven't uploaded it yet, you can simply click Upload and bring your file in. After selecting your image, click Add to Page, and it will appear on your website layout. Once it's on the page, click directly on the image. You'll see small handles appear around it, and this is what you use to resize it.
Now you can click and drag from the corners to make the image bigger or smaller. Using the corners is important because it keeps the image's proportions correct, so it doesn't look stretched or squished. If you drag from the sides instead, the image can end up looking distorted, which can make your website look unprofessional. So always try to resize from a corner and adjust slowly until it fits your layout properly and still looks clean and natural on the page. If you want more control over how your image looks, you can click the small settings or gear icon near the image. Here you'll find display options that let you decide how the image fits inside its space. You can choose to keep the ratio, fit it to the box, or fill the box, depending on the style you want. Most of the time, keeping the ratio is the safest option because it keeps your image looking natural. If you need very precise sizing, you can also go to the right-hand panel and manually enter the exact width and height in pixels. This is useful if you want everything on your page to look consistent and aligned properly. Once you've adjusted everything, take a moment to preview your page and see how the image fits with the rest of your design. If something doesn't look right, you can always go back and tweak it again until it looks perfect. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few simple steps, you can resize any image in Wix and make your website look much more clean and professional. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.